In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Paint and Microsoft GIF Animator to create an animated GIF image. As you can see, I've already created some sprites that are ready for animation, plus a box to animate them in. So first, select that, make it transparent, select the box, and I right click and copy, or go to edit and copy, or use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control and C. Microsoft GIF Animator, press paste, and there's the first frame. Back in Paint, select the second frame over the first. Make sure it's all lined up so it looks good. And bring it to the bottom. Make it solid so it basically erases the picture behind it. And we're going to need to recreate the line underneath there for the bottom. And we select it, copy it, go to Microsoft GIF Animator, and press paste. Move it down as the second frame. And then, in here, transparent, select the jumping pose, and get it lined up, move it, probably right about there. Make it solid, and get rid of the extra at the bottom. Just so you know, and after I selected it, I hit the delete key on the keyboard. So now we select this, copy it, Microsoft GIF Animator, and paste. Now we have our third frame. With this pose here, I'm going to move it up 1 pixel, or 1 square basically, because each little pixel is basically a little square on the screen. Copy it, paste it in here. Move it down. Fourth frame, up again. Of course, you don't always have to do 1 pixel at a time. You could do 2 pixels at a time. Create maybe faster animation with fewer frames. It's easier on the computer. So, we can scrub through our animation. I think 1 or 2 more frames should work. And now we've gotten to there, go back through these so we don't have to create new frames, we're just copying the other ones. So now it's going down, frame 7, copy, paste it, move it down to the bottom 6, 5, 4, and then 3. And yeah, let's go ahead and do 2. Now that we have all our frames, we can go to Animation. Not wrong one. Go into Image. And here you can select how long each frame is shown for. I'm going to do 50, which is half a second. Do 20. Here, do 10. Okay, so now let's see how that looks. Forgot. In Animation, looping, repeat forever. I think the jumping is a little too slow. So, I'm going to select the jumping frames. Okay, now I have them all selected. I clicked the first jumping frame, held on to Shift, and clicked the last jumping frame to select all the frames in between. So now I'm going to change that to 5. See how that works. Okay, well, let's change them to 3. I think we'll stick with 5. And there's the animation. All set up and ready. Last thing you do is you save it. So, call it to jumping, and save it. So now it's ready to be uploaded to Madge or Brickshelf. And that's the end of the tutorial.